Gardens are not just patches of land, they are spaces of beauty, tranquility, and creativity. Whether you have a sprawling backyard or a small balcony, there are numerous ways to design a garden that reflects your personal style and enhances your living environment. In this video, while you look at our today's collection, we will tell you about various beautiful garden ideas, from floral displays to vegetable patches, and provide insights on how to create your own garden oasis. A well-designed garden enhances the aesthetic appeal of a property. It can serve as a focal point, drawing attention and admiration from visitors and passers-by. Beautiful gardens can significantly increase the value of a home, making it more attractive to potential buyers. Gardening has been proven to have numerous mental health benefits. Spending time in nature can reduce stress, improve mood, and enhance overall well-being. A beautiful garden provides a peaceful retreat, allowing you to unwind and connect with nature. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you another collection of stylish garden design ideas for your backyard decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Gardens play a crucial role in the environment. They contribute to biodiversity, support local wildlife, and improve air quality. By creating a beautiful garden, you are also contributing to a healthier ecosystem. Types of beautiful gardens include flower gardens, vegetable and herb gardens, zen gardens, and wildlife gardens. 1. Flower gardens. Flower gardens are vibrant and colorful, showcasing a variety of blooms throughout the seasons. When designing a flower garden, consider the following ideas. A. Perennial flower gardens. Perennials are plants that return year after year, providing consistent beauty. Consider incorporating plants like peonies, daylilies, and coneflowers. Design your garden with varying heights and colors to create visual interest. B. Cottage gardens. Cottage gardens are charming and eclectic, characterized by a mix of flowers, herbs, and vegetables. Use a combination of tall and short plants, allowing them to intermingle freely. Add winding pathways and rustic furniture to enhance the cozy atmosphere. C. Xeriscape gardens. For a low-maintenance option, consider a xeriscape garden, which uses drought-resistant plants. This type of garden is perfect for arid climates and requires minimal watering. Incorporate succulents, ornamental grasses, and native plants for a beautiful yet sustainable design. 2. Vegetable and herb gardens. Growing your own food can be immensely rewarding, and vegetable and herb gardens can be both practical and beautiful. A. Raised bed gardens. Raised beds are a popular choice for vegetable gardens. They provide better drainage, reduce soil compaction, and make gardening easier on your back. Use untreated wood or stone to create visually appealing structures. Fill the beds with rich soil and plant a variety of vegetables and herbs. B. Vertical gardens. If space is limited, vertical gardens are an excellent solution. Use trellises or wall-mounted planters to grow climbing vegetables like tomatoes and beans. Vertical gardens not only save space but also add a unique visual element to your outdoor area. C. Herb spiral gardens. An herb spiral is a vertical garden design that maximizes space while providing a variety of herbs. The spiral shape allows for different microclimates, catering to herbs with varying water and sunlight needs. This design is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. 3. Zen gardens. Zen gardens, or Japanese rock gardens, emphasize simplicity and tranquility. They are perfect for creating a peaceful retreat in your backyard. A. Karasansui Garden. A karasansui garden features gravel or sand raked to represent water and rocks that symbolize mountains. This minimalist design encourages meditation and reflection. Incorporate stepping stones and strategically placed plants to enhance the serene atmosphere. B. Tea gardens. Tea gardens are designed for relaxation and contemplation, often featuring a small tea house. Incorporate elements like bamboo, stone pathways, and water features to create a tranquil environment. Use plants like camellias and azaleas to add color and beauty. 4. Wildlife gardens. Creating a garden that attracts wildlife can enhance its beauty and contribute to local biodiversity. A. Pollinator gardens. Pollinator gardens are designed to attract bees, butterflies, and other beneficial insects. Incorporate a variety of flowering plants that bloom at different times, providing food sources throughout the growing season. Consider adding a water source, such as a bird bath, to support wildlife. B. Native plant gardens. Native plants are adapted to the local environment and require less maintenance than non-native species. By using native plants, you can create a beautiful garden that supports local wildlife and ecosystems. In conclusion, creating a beautiful garden is a rewarding endeavor that enhances your living space and promotes well-being. Whether you prefer vibrant flower beds, productive vegetable gardens, or serene Zen spaces, there are countless possibilities to explore. By incorporating unique ideas, sustainable practices, and thoughtful design principles, you can transform any outdoor area into a personal oasis. Gardens are not just about aesthetics, they are spaces for relaxation, reflection, and connection with nature. Embrace your creativity and let your garden reflect your personality and values. With dedication and care, you can cultivate a beautiful garden that brings joy and tranquility to your life for years to come. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked stylish garden design ideas for your backyard decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.